I came out just walking around looking at stuff today, and the roof blew off my shed. That was going to be my leather shed, and I worked hard getting those roof sections up there by myself. I haven't found the other roof section yet. Drama first thing in the morning. I got to go to work too. I found the other section of the roof. There's the shed, so it's 200 feet away. It's heavy. I'll have to cut it in half to haul it over there. I don't know what I'm going to do. I never even noticed it. It happened a day or two ago, but I just now noticed it. Must have had a mini tornado. Tore all the sheathing on her shingles off. Big news today. Yeah, I noticed my gazebo, the door on the shed wouldn't shut, so it got moved a little bit, but I did not notice that this shed roof blew off completely. The other piece is over there, a couple 100 foot. That's a bunch of work. I'll see what happens. I'll deal with it later today. Have to work in town. Tornado out in the middle of nowhere.